All right, so last time we just sorted the pieces of a percent equation, and now we're going to actually use that and find the answers to those questions. Okay, so again, we're going to say that I can find the percent of a number. Okay, so just to recap, the percent is going to be the number with the percent sign. Okay, the part is the number that goes with the word is. So if you see the word is, that's probably going to be the part or the smaller portion. The whole is going to be the number that's next to the word or goes with the word of. Okay? And then we put a variable in the place of a number you don't know and solve the equation. Okay, so it says, what number is 75% of 4? Okay? So I see a percent. So I circle it, and then I know that is does not go with 75 and of also doesn't go with 75. So I like to circle it so it kind of blocks it off. So 75 is my percent. Okay. And then I see that it says of 4. Of can't go with 75 since that's already being used as our percentage. So of 4. Okay, of is the whole, so it's out of 4. Okay, and that means that the part is the thing we don't know. What number is? What is? I don't know, so I'm going to put a variable there. We'll use x. Okay, so I just sorted my pieces. Now I'm going to plug those in to my equation. So the part, so the thing I don't know, x, is equal to my percent, 75, divided by 100 times the whole, which is 4. So all I did is instead of part, I put the x, or instead of the percent, I put the number that is the percent, and instead of the whole, I put the number that is the whole. So now I'm going to go through and solve. Okay. You do not have to highlight or circle these. I'm just showing what I'm doing first. Okay, so I'm going to do this division first. So I'm going to do 75 divided by 100 is 0.75. So I'm just going to rewrite my equation. X equals, okay, when I did that division, we got 0.75. Then I still have to do the rest of it and do times 4. So now I'm going to do this multiplication. 0.75 times 4 is 3. Okay. All right, next one. 7.5% of what number is 6? So I already see a percent sign, so I'm going to circle my percent. That helps me know that that number is not going to go with anything else. So 7.5 is my percent. Then it says of what number? So it says of what? I don't know. And of goes with my whole, so I don't know what it's out of. So that's where my variable goes. Okay. And then it says is 6 is goes with the part, so 6 is the smaller portion. Okay, so I don't know what the total is. So I'm going to take my equation, the part, which is 6, is equal to my percent, 7.5, divided by 100, times the whole, which is x. So then I'm going to go ahead and do this division. I simplify what I can first. I can do that division. 7.5 divided by 100 is 0.075. So 6 equals 0.075 times x, which is 0.075x. Now I have to solve for my variable. So I'm going to divide by 0.075. What I divide by on the side with my variable, I have to divide by on the other side. So 6 divided by 0.075 is 80. Last one, 3 is what percent of 24? So the first thing I see is that 3 goes with is, which is our part. The part goes with the word is. So 3 is the part. And then I see of 24. The word of goes with the whole, so 24 is what it's out of. Which means my percent is the thing I don't know. And I can see that it says what percent. Okay. So I'm going to substitute those into my equation. The part, 3, is equal to my percent, which I don't know, so x, divided by 100 times the whole, which is 24. All right, so since I'm multiplying by 24, I'm going to divide by 24 first. So that leaves me 3 divided by 24 is equal, so the 24s will cancel out, x divided by 100. So 3 divided by 24, I can simplify that to a decimal, is 0.125. Okay. All right, then I need to solve for x. X is being divided by 100. So to solve, I'm going to do the opposite thing and multiply by 100. You get 12.5 equals x. And since we were looking for a percent, I need to put a percent sign. Give us some space. Okay. All right. Ooh. This video is a little longer than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. All right, so we got 3 word problems. You want to donate 20% of your paycheck to a charity. What is your paycheck if you donated $16.45? So first I see that I have a percent, 20%. Okay, and the only other number I have is $16.45. Okay, so I'm donating a portion of my paycheck, which was this $16.45. That is not the entire paycheck, so that's going to be the part. And we're looking for what is the paycheck. So I'm going to put an X there. I don't know the total amount of money that it is. So I'm going to take those numbers, plug it into my equation. Okay. So 16.45 is my part, which is equal to my percent, 20, divided by 100, times the whole, which I don't know what that is. Okay. I always want to simplify what I can first. Okay. So I'm going to do 20 divided by 100. Is 0.2. And now I'm going to solve for x. I have 0.2 times x, so I'm going to divide by 0.2 on both sides. So 1645 divided by 0.2 is 82.25, and we were looking for a dollar amount, so I need to put a dollar sign in front. Okay. Next one, Dave invests 15% of his pay each week. If his pay each week is $325, how much is he investing? So I see that I have 15%. So it's my percent. Okay. And then I see of his pay. Then later it tells me that his pay is $325. So we're finding 15% of 325. Of goes with the whole. So 325 is the total that it's out of. And I'm looking for the smaller portion of that he's donating, which I don't know. So I put my variable there. Then I'm just going to plug them into my equation. The part, which I don't know, x, is equal to my percent, 15, divided by 100, times the whole, which is 325. I can change my percent fraction to a decimal, which is 0.15, then times 325. Is 48.75. And again, we're talking about money, so I put a dollar sign. And he's donating it. So he donates $48.75 each week, or invests it, sorry. We're talking about investing. I was thinking about the one before. All right, last one. You take a test and get 17.5%, 17.5 points out of 25 possible. What percentage did you get on the test? So the first thing I see is the word percentage, and I don't have a percent sign, so I don't know what percent. So my percent is my variable. Okay. All right, so then my other options are 17.5 points and 25 possible points. Okay, it's out of 25. So of goes with 25. 25 is the total points it's worth. That is the whole. Okay, which means that my part, the smaller portion of the points that I got, is 17.5. Okay. So then I plug them into my equation. The part, 17.5, is equal to my percent, which I don't know, x over 100, times the whole, which is 25. Okay. I'm going to deal with getting rid of this times 25 first. So I'm going to divide by 25. That gets rid of those, and I still have x divided by 100. 17.5 divided by 25 is 0.7. Then to continue solving for x, I'm going to multiply by 100. is 70. And we were looking for a percent. So you earned a 70% on that test. All right, so you guys were doing well with sorting the part, percent, and whole. So now you just have to plug it in to the equation and solve for the variable. Okay? All right, and then at the bottom you have a summary. So once you're done with this video, go ahead, explain in your own steps how you would solve a percent problem.